Hello, little one. Hello, CD. Thought we'd take you in here and see how you're doing. It's okay. I know it's very strange in here, isn't it? Do you prefer to be able to hide? Well, no, Hand's not going to feed you. We've been kind of leaving that to your mom. But it will protect you if you want. It'll keep you covered. Yeah, I know. Strange things happening, huh? Not really sure what to make of this, are we? Oh, I moved the hand. That was very strange. This is about when you're supposed to be exploring a little bit, but I think you're not quite up to that yet, are you? It's kind of scary. That's okay. You don't need to move at anyone else's pace but your own. You know. Hey, CD, come meet the little new Budgie. Come here. Come on. CD. Are you afraid of the new Budgie? Are you afraid of our little baby? CD, are you running away? Okay. I think CD's afraid of you, little guy. Or girl. That's okay. Come on, CD. I'll let you perch on the shoulder. Or get on my hand and not get off. That is so helpful, CD. I know. You're in here with me and not the other cockatiels. And that little fuzzy thing. What's going on? Oh. It's okay, little one. CD just went by you. CD cockatiel. Come over here. What are you doing? You're being weird, bird. I know, usually in here with your friends, huh? Hi, little one. It's okay. You can nibble. Oop, sorry. Would you like it better if it's warm? Give you a place to hide? You're not really ready to move around, are you? Not yet. That's okay. How about... Oh, it's okay. It's okay. How about we put you here? It's nice and warm and safe. How's that? Stay there for a bit? Yeah. It's okay. Birds move at their own pace. Everything I read said that right around now, baby Budgie should be getting to want to explore, but I don't think ours is quite up to it yet. Like I said, that is okay. he can move at his own pace. And the CD's over there perching on the handcart. Of course he is. CD, come here. Come here, Burb. Come be with me. CD. Okay. Well, CD is being stubborn. And weird. And I think spooking our little friend here. It's okay, little one. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright. Yeah, I think it's a little bit much for you right now. That's okay. Why don't we let you rest a bit and then we'll get you back to your nesting area. Okay? It's going to be alright. Yeah, see, the nice thing is that I'm warm, so baby Budgie likes warm. And now I have a Budgie sleeping on me. But now I don't know if I want to move for a while. Don't want to disturb the Budgie. Yeah. Okay, well, I might be here for a bit. Well, since it seems that I'm not going anywhere anytime soon, I'm going to say bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye from the baby Budgie. Bye-bye from CD, who's way across the room now. By the way, today's my birthday, so I'm 46 years old. And this little one is just 24 days old. What a difference, huh? Yeah. What a difference.